The second wave of coronavirus was as devastating for Delhi as it was for the entire nation. Many called it the fourth wave for the national capital. But the AAP government in Delhi, on the other hand, was busy grabbing the headlines. Whether it was through its failure to control the COVID cases or Arvind Kejriwal being internationally embarrassed for calling a COVID variant the Singapore variant. But the central government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, always came to its rescue. The centre even revised Delhi's oxygen quota by decreasing the allotment to other states, as the Delhi CM called for it. However, an audit report of the Supreme Court has revealed that this has adversely affected medical oxygen supply to 12 high caseload states. So why was Kejriwal lying? And shouldn't he face criminal charges for this? Hi and welcome to TFI English, the national and socio-political analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I'm your host Diksha, and in this video, I will tell you how the Delhi government has been caught red-handed scamming the people of Delhi while depriving citizens in 12 other states of oxygen they desperately required during the second wave of COVID-19. Let's begin. During the peak of what was a national second wave of COVID-19 infections, which for the national capital was its fourth wave, the Arvind Kejriwal-led AAP government of Delhi exaggerated the city's oxygen requirement by 4 times, according to an audit committee appointed by the Supreme Court of India. The SC audit report said that this inflation of the oxygen needs by the AAP government of Delhi adversely affected medical oxygen supply to 12 high caseload states, which were deprived of their fair share due to Kejriwal's lies. The SC audit report further said that Delhi needed 300 metric tons of oxygen, but the Kejriwal government raised the demand to 1200 metric tons. The report read, subgroup set by Supreme Court for Oxygen Audit of Delhi noted gross discrepancy in actual consumption claimed versus calculated consumption by formula for bed capacity. Former was about 4 times higher than the latter. According to the audit report, 4 hospitals, Single, Aruna Asaf Ali, ESIC model and Life-Ray claimed extremely high LMO consumption with very few beds. And the claims appeared to be clearly erroneous, leading to extremely skewed info and significantly higher oxygen requirement for Delhi. Effectively, the AAP government in cahoots with certain hospitals allegedly orchestrated the bogey of oxygen shortage in Delhi, thus hoarding vast amounts of medical oxygen which the capital city never required. Why did it do so? Possibly for selling such oxygen to the black market. A comprehensive investigation into the matter will most definitely reveal the intentions behind the Kejriwal-led government depriving 12 high caseload states of oxygen they desperately required. After the intervention of Delhi High Court, the centre revised Delhi's oxygen quota, sending more tankers to the national capital by decreasing the allotment to other states. It remains to be seen whether the AAP government produced false information and lied to the Delhi High Court to get its daily oxygen quota increased. Interestingly, the AAP government of Delhi was dead opposed to an SC-monitored audit of the capital's oxygen supply, distribution and consumption. Despite its opposition to the audit, the Supreme Court had given a go-ahead to the same, which has now resulted in explosive details of the Kejriwal government's criminalities coming out in the open. After the Supreme Court had approved the audit, the AAP-run Delhi government had proposed to divert what it then called an oxygen surplus to other states which required it more than the national capital. The Kejriwal government had been levelling all sorts of extravagant charges against the Modi government. In the aftermath of the AAP government being exposed, Arvind Kejriwal's deputy Manish Sisodia has come out and brazenly claimed that the audit report being cited does not even exist and is a figment of the BJP's imagination. Sisodia said. One purported report is being quoted as having said that Delhi's oxygen demand was inflated. There is no such report. The report being shared by the BJP does not exist at all. They are lying, adding that the BJP was not abusing Kejriwal. Rather, through their claims, they are targeting those who lost their loved ones due to lack of medical oxygen. The Supreme Court must take note of such lies and initiate required action against Kejriwal's coterie, which inflated Delhi's oxygen requirement while depriving other states of the share. The Aam Aadmi Party has been caught red-handed scamming the people of Delhi while depriving citizens in 12 other states of oxygen they desperately required during the peak of the COVID crisis. Delhi government officials, including the Chief Minister, must thus be criminally prosecuted to set a precedent which will be remembered for generations to come.